Mais Haïti est jeune, Haïti est jeune.
Welcome as he comes shut down SoB in the name of Sapase Records. Y'all put it together for my man Mecca, aka Grimo.
Yo, yo.
Oh,
Yo, where my people's at? How y'all doing?
yeah.
Yo, it's a beautiful thing. It's a pleasure for me to be here and see this conception right here. Haitians on the rise. That's definitely no bullshit. Yo, so without further ado, DJ Stacks on the 1 and 2. Yeah, Manny on the drum. Yo, what makes this Creole hip-hop shit work the way that it's working right now? Why are we getting the recognition that we're getting right now? I believe that the hip-hop Creole movement is founded on education. If we look back at our history, we look at Master G, King Posse, original rap style, Masters of Haiti. Yo, big up to all the pioneers before us. What's happening now is a revolution. Haitian Mafia. Hey, listen to what I'm telling y'all. The game is controlled by the Haitians. Listen to what I'm telling y'all. If y'all know what's going on, you see P. Diddy. If you know what's going on, this is the guy behind P. Diddy, a motherfucking Haitian. Big up to my nigga Kangol. You still not going to Haitian, but what's nobody clear? Big up to Violator in the house. You see 50 Cent? Violator. It's all fucking Haitians running it. Understand what I'm telling you. If you check your watch right now, it's motherfucking Haitians around, nigga. Listen to what I'm telling you. Watch your MTV, watch your BET, see what's going on. Listen to T.I. He rolling with the Haitians. 50 rolling with the Haitians. It used to be the blood clot Jamaica. Yo, Flavor Unit, Shot Kim, Latif for the whole clique. How you said? Don't look at what I do, cause I'm a straight up grimy nigga that came from Guadalupe that rode on a motherfucking donkey. Don't watch what. Listen. Hold on. So take your opportunity, do what you gotta do. Don't get deported. Get your game straight. My name is Suicide. We represent Neck My Own Entertainment. That's my boy, Mike P. We from Harlem, okay? We from Haiti. That's most important. Now listen. You dudes already know facing me is a bitch. I'ma make you leave. Don't put that I can't open it. Got vibes that'll make you flip out to the pete. That shit you got in your rhyme book, boy, is Suicide always causing door lines, always violating soul lines. Every time I spit, you hear low lines. I do it for the 4 lines. In other words, the Elijah. Lucifer's an angel. I'm the real Satan.
Yeah, we gonna rock with the black violins. That's right. Some Haitian brothers doing their thing with the violin. You guys ready? Come. Yeah. Make some noise for black violin.
Tell black violin does this. So let me get this violin on for real. Both violins on. Let's go.
good, y'all. How y'all doing? Where's my true school hip-hop peoples at?
Right here.
True school.
Right here.
I'm talking about the ones that, like if I was to say, Lottie-Dottie, we like to party, you'd say,
We don't find nobody.
Alright, so those are true hip-hop people in here. Okay, well let me introduce myself. I'm a member of one of the first nationally recognized rap groups. That group was called UTFO, made popular by a song called Roxanne, Roxanne, for those that don't know. And though it wasn't, of course I grew up in the 70s and so on, so it wasn't a popular thing to be a Haitian cat back then, but I am the first Haitian hip-hop artist in this nation of hip-hop music.
Make way, Haitian Buffalo Soldier, led by Dessalines, the greatest army on the scene. In 1803, we defeated the French, then we declared our independence. It was a year of remembrance. We said it in less than a sentence. L'union fait la force. Soldiers who put their lives on the line at all costs. You see, I do this for the love of my country. It's never for a hassle. Dedicated to the revolutionary fathers who fought for Haiti's independence to make Haiti the first independent black nation in the world.